So what is the point of a CRM and how do you utilize it to maximize your business? The first thing is your whole database needs to be inside that CRM. Your sphere of influence, past clients, anybody who you've met or have a relationship with. Once everybody's in your CRM, you want to send them weekly value. That can look like market update, community spotlight with restaurants and coffee shops and any kind of small businesses that people might find interesting. Tips for sellers and tips for buyers. So giving them tips on what it's like to sell a house, what it's like to buy a house. And the fourth is new listings coming soon, open houses, anything real estate related that people might find interesting. So you got those four things. That's what you're gonna send out every single week to your database. And you're gonna do this consistently so you're always top of mind with that database. Then inside the CRM, you're gonna wanna have a nurture system. It's gonna need to nurture clients because let's face it, online leads, Facebook, PPC, anything you generate online, even direct traffic is usually 6 to 24 months away from making a sale or a purchase. So nurturing these clients is key. If you don't have a nurture system, you shouldn't even be generating leads. The next thing with the CRM is automation. So you want to have as much automation as possible so that you spend your time doing listing presentations and buyer presentations and not working on each individual lead. For example, when a lead comes into the website, you should have a welcome, an auto e-alert, an auto action plan, stuff that's going on behind the scenes acting on your behalf. The automation is really going to qualify the leads and bring out the hand raisers, the ones that are saying, I'm looking to buy or sell real estate in the near future. That's what you want. So now that you got all three of those things set up for your CRM, now you can start to generate leads. Now, where are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do Google PPC, Facebook ads? Are you gonna do Marketplace? Are you gonna advertise online, different websites, referral partners, whatever it happens to be, those leads will now go to your CRM and go through the automation, the nurture, and the value. And that's how you turn leads into clients. As always, if you have any questions about what CRM to use, how to use it, how to set up automation, should you have someone doing it for you, reach out to me or someone on the team. Have a great day.